चलो आज 7वां दिन है. So I'm leaving Guwahati, heading towards Meghalaya. So I'll be staying today in Cherrapunji. The stay is very good here, and also they given a token of gift. It was very lovely stay here. They gave a good hospitality, and yeah, I'll be passing through Shillong, but I won't be staying in Shillong. So, but there are some lakes and viewpoints in Shillong, near to the Shillong, which is very scenic. So yeah. Well, yesterday I did the bike servicing and laundry, so I haven't visited much of places in Guwahati. I thought I'll visit at the end, at the last day, because okay. We had a bit of curvy roads. I think we are a bit climbing up. Yeah, the Meghalaya border is very near, near to Guwahati. I think within 10 किलोमीटर आई थिंक द बॉर्डर शुड बी देयर. चलो, यहाँ पे पेट्रोल का दाम बहुत कम है, 94. ऐसा लग रहा है 10 रुपए कम 1 लीटर, जहाँ पे कर्नाटक में तो 104 105 होता है. बहुत ही कम था. और जब मैं असम एंटर किया था तब भी कम था, 98 था, लेकिन इन द सिटी इट इज 94. वाओ, दैट्स समथिंग. ऐसा कर रहा है कि डब्बा में लेकर जाओ पेट्रोल. तो वैसे तो आज मैंने GoPro का माइक चेंज किया है, सो आई डोंट नो हाउ द वॉइस इज, बिकॉज मैंने चेक किया था फुटेज और उतना आवाज़ क्लियरली नहीं आ रहा था विद द वायरलेस कनेक्शन. तो आज तो वायर्ड कनेक्शन है, शायद बेटर आवाज़ आना चाहिए. अभी बाद में ही पता चलेगा कितना क्लियर है. उतना क्या जल्दी था भाई, बंदे को बहुत जल्दी था, उड़ा कर लेकर गया. अभी तो पूरा पहाड़ ही मिलेगा जैसे आगे जाएंगे, क्योंकि गुवाहाटी तो ब्रह्मपुत्र के पास ही है ना, मतलब वो नदी फ्लो करता है उधर, तो बहुत नीचे है. अभी ज़्यादा फीट ऊपर जाएंगे क्योंकि मेघालय तो फिल पहाड़ ही पहाड़ है. और चिरापुंजी शायद बहुत राइट में होगा, पता नहीं, श्योर नहीं है. शायद 1000 या 2000 के बीच में. तो जब मैंने टेम्परेचर चेक किया था तो 10 था इन द नाइट. यहाँ पे तो 18 था. जैसे ही सनसेट होता है तो टेम्परेचर इतना गिर जाता है. सो मैं असम एंटर कर दिया एंड सॉरी, तो मैं मेघालय एंटर कर दिया. So this is my second northeast state. So let's see what we can explore in Meghalaya. Lot of turns, man. जिस तरीके से रास्ते 3 घंटे 3.5 hours बता रहा था, उस तरीके से लग नहीं रहा उतना जल्दी पहुंचेंगे. ये बहुत ही टेढ़ा मेढ़ा रास्ता है, ट्रैफिक मतलब ट्रक सब है, तो टाइम लग जाएगा मुझे लगता है. ये जो वेस्टर्न घाट्स का कर्व है ना, वैसा तो नहीं दिख रहा है, क्योंकि वेस्टर्न घाट्स में तो कर्व्स के बाद एक स्ट्रेट लाइन भी आता है जहाँ पे ओवरटेक कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पे तो कर्व ही कर्व है. एक कर्व ख़त्म हो गया तो दूसरा कर्व आएगा और तीसरा चौथा विदाउट गैप. लेकिन रोड अच्छा है, कोई भी चीज़ हो, रोड अच्छा है. चलो, 18 किलोमीटर है उमियाम लेक के लिए. तो पहले हम वहाँ पे रुकेंगे, देखेंगे. वैसे तो 145 में तो 75 तो हो जाएगा इन द नेक्स्ट 20 मिनट. फिर एक और प्लेस है, वहाँ पे जाना है कि नहीं सोच रहा हूँ, क्योंकि वो व्यू पॉइंट है. सब कुछ तो था भाई, कैनियन की टाइप है वो. व्यू पॉइंट में कैनियन दिखता है. सो या विजिटेड उमियाम लेक. नाउ heading to Laitlam hill point. Man, it is sunny, but the weather is cold. Yeah, there was a guide who suggested that Laitlam hill point you need to visit early morning. That would be a good time. But yeah, anyways, I'm passing by, so I have to visit now only. Yeah, this was a good point. The lake, the drone was not allowed. Yeah, that's a bad thing. I think there was a army camp or police something nearby, to which I could not shoot. Okay, here passing over the dam. It's too deep, man. Okay, due to the dam, I think they didn't allow to fly the drone. Man, it's too deep on the left side. Welcomes you to the Scotland of the East. Meghalaya is Scotland of the East. Okay, you have to take left for Shillong. Like there is a left which leads to the Latlam Hill Point view, and yeah, it's something 33 kilometers to go. I think this feels like another side of the hill. I think majority of the religion in Meghalaya is Christian, I guess, because I see some of hoardings about Jesus most of the place. Like I saw a couple of them in Umiam Lake. Okay, this road's going to get curvy, and the houses are built very nicely here. Coffee smell. I smelled coffee. Somewhere they were brewing coffee, man. Have you seen Patal Lok? I think there was a scene in Nagaland where the person got killed. They were doing the funeral rites. So that scene looked like this one only, because the trees was very similar. Man, I got diverted into some inside streets. Man, this is like it will be crazy in the hill station where will be multiple curves, and if there are some shorter routes which Google Maps suggests, then better you don't take that, because I got stuck in somewhere in some street. Man, क्या route है भाई, यहाँ पे तक गया. It's a crazy route. Now I'm like, why did I just hill wide? And there are a lot of curves. It gets you slow down. At the 7 kilometer left, and I think I have to return also from this route only. I guess so. Let's see. Okay, I think we are closing into the hill point view. Okay, that's Latlam viewpoint. So now I am headed towards Cherrapunji, where my homestay is. So the local said the road is good, and now I don't think I have to go over Shillong. That's a good sign, because the route in that the local roads in Shillong is like very twisty, and Google suggests very narrow roads and steep roads, so it was a bit difficult. So for Cherrapunji, it's around 47 kilometers, 1.5 hour. Google is saying 1.5 hour. But yeah, if there are some views by passing to if there are some views en route, I might stop and take some pictures or videos. Till then, enjoy this Latlam drone shots. Yeah, the local was saying at night it would be very cold in here, and there are some homestays here. So if you guys want to stay, yeah, that would be a better option. Like enjoy the view, and there is a moon. I'm sure in GoPro it is not visible, but yeah, it looks cool. Yeah, it looks beautiful. Yeah, I was talking about the homestay. Yeah, and there hasn't been rainfall in the past month, whereas in Shillong there has been some rainfall. And anyways, this was winter, which is coming to an end. Like summer will be starting soon. So yeah, he was saying like in rainy season the view would be very good, and there would be some fog or clouds very down to this hill. below this hill there would be some clouds. Yeah, whereas now I think since the summer is getting starting, there is less of fog or clouds in here. And even though it's summer, like it looks pretty cool because like there are trees which are greenery, and the grass has been went into brownish golden kind of color. Yeah, when the road is empty, it's like it is likeable to ride it on the curvy roads. But yeah, in the city, the curvy roads are like to ride because there will be some traffic, and yeah, like shortcuts are a bit steep. So yeah, that's issue in the city. Yeah, I think this side the major city is Shillong. I think there is Cherrapunji. What are they watching? Some reels probably. If you have seen, if you have noticed, most of the people have Alto car. Yeah, that's like a OG car on the hills because it gets picked up from a steep climb. So there wouldn't be any issue on the hill climb with Alto. Okay, 8 kilometers for National Highway 206. Like if you have noticed, the culture in Assam and Meghalaya are too different, even though they are close. Like Guwahati is very close to Meghalaya border. Like here, most of the men would be carrying the bow and arrow or that knife, like a machete kind of knife. And even the women's, like they dress up the sari bit different than Assamese. I mean, it's not sari, I guess. They call some name on their traditional dress. Yeah, in Assam, like I have to tie that gamcha into my bike. Then that would be nice. Yeah, this route, this view also feels like it's in Shiradi Ghat in the western. When you travel from Bangalore to Udupi, which is my hometown. So it is kind of similar view and route. Apart from this pine trees, I think these are called pine trees, right? Or a Christmas tree. Not a pine, yeah, pine tree. Yeah, those doesn't grow there. Like in south, it's mostly Ooty and Mannar which have the pine trees. Yeah, Western Ghat doesn't have those. But yeah, the route looks very similar. Like, sorry, it's not Shiradi Ghat, it's Charmadi Ghat. Sorry, I got confused. Yeah, if you see the view and the road, it looks very similar to Charmadi Ghat, apart from the pine trees or the whatever it is. So those are not there in the south. Like it's there in Ooty and Munnar in like some of the hill station, but not in I think not in Western Ghats though. Like on the Karnataka side, Western Ghats, I don't think I have seen a pine tree there. Yeah, one thing I have noticed even in Shillong, I think this is some like small city here. Like when they are riding, whoever gets a turn right, whether they're taking right turn. So hold on, someone is listening to Bollywood music. Yeah, what I was saying is, suppose if I want to take right, suppose if someone is taking the right and the opposite end opposite end car will wait until the person takes the right. So that's like a good habit they are following. I think it has to do with the steep mountain hill climb. Yeah, because that would be like a bit difficult to accelerate suddenly. So that's why they will wait. So the other person takes the right turn. That's a good habit. Even people should follow the same in Bangalore as well. But it wouldn't be possible because we have to get things done very quickly. Man, look at that house. It's so sweet, very cute. Man, this is some viewpoint. Okay, this is Mauk Valley viewpoint. The city name is Mauk Tok. Yeah, I think there is a bungee jumping because if you see in the top on the left side, let me show it clearly. Yeah, if you see on the opposite mountain, there is like a step aside. Maybe it's for bungee jumping, I feel. Yeah, if you see in the opposite side, there is one. Man, wish I had a house in a mountain hill. What a perfect place to stay for these guys. Yeah, there are like more revenues on the main cities, but the peace and calm the environment provides is nothing in front of the city pollution or noise.